Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making a sausage rice pilaf one pot dinner meal. This is super quick, super easy, and I want to show you how economical this is to make. So we're going to get started right now. But before we get started, if you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to slice up 2 lengths of sausage. You can make these kind of as thick as you want them. I've got the skinless sausage, but get whatever flavor you like. I've made this with the cheese sausage. I've made it with smoked. I've made it just whatever your preference and taste is. This just makes such an easy, quick family meal for midweek. Sunday after church, come in. If you're like me, I work for a church, so we usually come in and I'm exhausted. So I want something that is quick and easy. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do is dice up an onion. Now, also you could add broccoli, you could add bell pepper, whatever you have. Peas, whatever you have that you wanted to add to this, you could obviously add to it. I'm just going to add an onion. This is just a small onion, so I'm using the whole thing. If you don't like it, onions, totally leave it out. If I had a bell pepper ready, I would totally be adding bell pepper into this. But I don't have any ready right now. I looked and the one I have out there is not quite ready yet. Okay, I'm going to bring you over to the stove and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of butter in my pan to cook my onions and sausage with. Drop that in. You're just wanting to kind of caramelize everything up. And you wouldn't have to use a boxed meal here. You could totally use wild rice and make this with wild rice, but you know, every once in a while, a quick boxed meal is okay. I have been making this literally since my children were babies, and my oldest child turned 26, no, 28 years old this year. Wow, when did that happen? You know, when your kids grow up poor, you do what you gotta do. But it's just a good, hearty, stick-to-your rib meal. And I have a feeling it may be one of those meals that'll come in handy for you in the near future. And you want to kind of keep stirring it because your sausage will brown up really quick. When you find like Eckrich sausage or one of those brands on sale, grab it up because it's just good. I like eating it with just some cheese and crackers. And that was the case for this. It was on sale, so I thought, I got a recipe that I want to share with you guys. Okay. Alright, so what you're going to do next, I'm going to add just a little bit more butter. About a tablespoon. And then I've got my rice package over here. Sorry. And this is just the rice pilaf. And I'm just following the instructions of the package, which is a cup and 3/4 of water. Okay, and then you bring it back to a boil. Just make sure all your seasonings your butter gets melted. And this is going to cook for 25 minutes. Once it comes back to a boil, you're going to turn the heat down to a simmer, and you're going to cook it for 25 minutes. You want to occasionally come give it a stir, make sure that you know, all your liquid hasn't cooked out of it and it's not sticking. So I will bring you back in 25 minutes and show you how it cooks up. Okay, my friends, we are all done. This is a rich, hearty, you know, feed a crowd, stick to your ribs meal. And I encourage you to try it out when you're, especially, you know, when it's too much money at the end of the money. This is one of those meals that will get you there. So give it a try. Here you go, my friends. I hope you will give this one a try. Be sure and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Each one of those things will help me out. Don't forget about my membership. It's right down here below. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. Hey, before we leave, tomorrow we are having a jelly making class. We'll be making strawberry jam. And it's everything you ever want to know on how to make strawberry jam from frozen strawberries. I hope you will join us 9:30 Central Standard Time. We'll see you then.